Hello student, good morning to all. I am Rahul Sharma from LPM Public School, Gorakhpur. Today I am going to take lecture of 10th class. As you know, this is your physics lecture. So in previous video, I have discussed about the resistance, the factor on which the resistance of wire depend, and the term resistivity. So today I am going to discuss the topic combination of resistor. So this is an important topic. In this topic we have to combine more than one resistor, and we can arrange the resistor by any method. And there is two special cases, series and parallel, according to Tenth. In 12th there is another combination, mixed. You can arrange some in series and some in parallel, but according to Tenth there is two special cases we have to discuss: series combination and parallel combination. So first of all, I am going to explain about the series combination of resistor. So what is series combination? So as you know, if there is a queue of some students and they form a line and they join their hand like this, it means right hand is joined or catched by a one student, then the left hand is catched or joined by the third student. It means it is known as end-to-end combination. If you can see this, if this is a wire and this is a wire, or you can see this, let this is the wire. This thumb is first end and the finger is second end, and this is another resistor. This is finger one end and the thumb is second end. If these two resistors combine like this, it means fingers are connected, but the thumb, these thumb are free, and we can join these thumb if we have another resistor. We can't join like this. In this case, the resistor makes closed loop. So in series combination, resistors are makes, you can say, straight line. They are not makes a closed loop, but if they join like this, now the resistor makes closed loop. So if resistor makes closed loop, that is parallel combination, and if they are free, it means like a straight line, we can join another resistor, the free end of this resistors is known as series combination. It means in series combination resistors are combined end to end. When the resistor combined end to end, this type of combination is known as series combination. If there is 3 resistor, you can write language 3 resistor of resistance resistor of resistance R1, R2 and R3 combine in series form. And what is series form? You know, when resistors, what is series form? Series resistors combine end to end. Combine end to end. Here is the series combination. We have 3 resistors. I am going to find a derivation for the equivalent resistance. So let 3 resistors. This is R1. R2 and this is R3. They combine in series form. This is the first end of one resistor. This is second end of first resistor. First end of first resistor. Second end of first resistor. This is first end of second resistor. Second end of second resistor. First end of third resistor and second end of third resistor. This second end is connected to first end, and the second end of second resistor connected to first end of third resistor. So this is known as series combination. And a battery or cell is applied across the combination of resistor. As you know, this is battery. Then current will start from positive end, and there is one path is available to flow of current by Kirchhoff law. As you know, according to Kirchhoff law, the electron joining at end, the algebraic sum of electron meet at a point is equal to the number of the algebraic sum of current will be equal. It means the current meet or current entering at a point is equal to the current leading from this point, I4, I5. It means I1 plus I2 plus I3 is equal to I4 plus I5. So, if path is available to flow of current, then current will flow. But in this circuit, only one path is available to flow. So that's why current will flow through this circuit, this path. It means equal current. You can note down, this is a special case. You can note equal current. Equal current will flow through each resistor. Each resistor. Equal current will flow through each resistor. Equal current will flow through each resistor in series form. Okay, but the potential drop across the end of each wire will be different. So you have to note this point also. This is also an important point. Potential drop across the end of each wire or each conductor will be different. So you have to remember these 2 points. First, current will be equal, and second, potential will be different. And the value of potential drop, let this is V1, V2 and V3. The potential difference or potential drop across the resistor 1. This is resistor 1, resistor 2 and resistor 3. The potential drop or potential difference across the end of first resistor is V1, across second resistor is V2 and across third resistor is V3. And the algebraic sum of potential difference is equal to the total potential applied in circuit. It means the value of V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Because this potential behaves as an energy. Battery supply energy, and this energy is distributed in resistor, and resistor take energy or potential drop across the resistor will depend upon the resistance of resistor. Okay, because current will be equal, so that's why the potential drop is depend upon the resistor, resistance of resistor. Potential drop is depend upon resistance of resistor. So by using Ohm's law, so you have to note this point. I am going to rub this. So according to Ohm's law, what is Ohm's law? R equal to V upon I. This is Ohm's law. And the value of V equal to Ri. This V is equivalent between total and this R is equivalent resistance. This is V equivalent. Okay? So this is equation first, and V1 equal to R1I. Current will same, and V2 equal to R2I, and V3 equal to R3I. So I hope you understand how to find value of V equivalent, V1, V2 and V3. Let this is equation A. So by putting the value of equation first, second, third, fourth, by putting the value of V1, V2, V3 and V equivalent from equation first, second, third, fourth to equation A, you can write language by putting the value of V1, V2, V3 and V equivalent from equation second, third, fourth and first in equation A. This is equation A. So V equivalent equal to ReqI and V1 R1I, R2I and R3I. So R equivalent I, R1, R2, R3, and I will be common. So I cancel by I. So R equivalent equal to R1 plus R2 plus R. So in series form, the value of equivalent resistance of circuit is equal to the algebraic sum of individual resistance of resistors. So I hope you understand. You can add any numbers. You can add any numbers of resistor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then the equivalent resistance of circuit is equal to the algebraic sum of resistance of resistors. It means R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. If n resistors are combined, then Rn equal to R1, R2 R3 so on or N. This is the formula for N register. So I hope you understand. Now the parallel combination of register I will explain in my next video. Thank you very much.